Long before he received revelation, Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known among the people of Makkah as Al-Amin, the trustworthy. One year, heavy floods damaged the walls of the sacred Kaaba. The leaders of the tribes worked together to rebuild it. They cooperated peacefully until they reached the final and most honorable task. Who would place the black stone, Al-Hajar al-Aswad, back in its position? This was the greatest honor. Every tribe wanted it. Voices grew louder. Arguments intensified. Swords were nearly drawn. Makkah stood on the edge of war over one stone. The tribes agreed.
The next person to enter the gate will judge between us.
It was Muhammad, peace be upon him. The people immediately said,
"It is Al-Amin. We accept his judgment."
Muhammad, peace be upon him, did not choose one tribe over another. Instead, he removed his cloak and spread it on the ground. He placed the black stone in the center. He asked one leader from each tribe to hold a corner. Together, they lifted the stone as one team. When they reached the wall, he gently placed the stone in its proper place with his own hands. No tribe lost honor. No one felt excluded. Peace was restored. Through wisdom and fairness, a war was prevented. That is true leadership.